Thanks Self-Record University for sponsoring this video. It's your man Alex, and in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on the beard bib, like grooming catcher thing. You basically throw this on your mirror, connect it to yourself, and all the hair that you're trimming off your beard just falls into the beard bib, and then you throw it in the trash. So today, I'm going to be reviewing this bad boy, and I'm basing the review on a few different criteria. We've got the price, the functionality, the ease of use out of the box, and the outcome. Everything's gonna be based on a out of 5 scale. So the price of this bad boy is $12.95. So the price seems like it's pretty good. Without any further ado, let's dive right into the review of the beard bib on Amazon. So this is the beard bib the second it comes in the mail. It comes in this little plastic container. It's got these random hook things, shoots all the way out. Oh wow, this thing is huge. Dang, okay. So we've got the beard bib side right here. Axis, no idea what that means. All right, so I got a hook thing right here. All right, here we go. Hook this bad boy. Let's hook this bad boy. Throw it here, I guess. And then I grab it like this. Oh, look at that. It's got a little Velcro right here. Slap it on like that. Boom, look at that, boy. All right, so let's get started. I'm gonna throw on the beard bib again. Let's tie this bad boy up. The Velcro kind of slaps you in the back of the head. Kind of itchy. I don't like itchy, right? If you're a self-hair cutter like myself, the last thing you want is itchy, right? Because then you get agitated, you start getting anxious. You don't want itchy, no itchy. We don't do itchy around here. Let's see, the beard bib, yeah, I mean, it collected the hair, right? There's nothing underneath it. Nothing fell through the bib. There's no hair underneath. Okay, so that's good. Nothing's in my sink. Cool, cool. All right. So the beard bib's doing its job. Yeah, so now I'm having a little bit of difficulty with the mobility action here. See, this is the thing now. So it's got all the hair right here. Look at that. Some of the hair flew out to the side and a little bit on this side as well. That's not what I want. See how it hangs? It like droops a little bit on this side. Yeah, it droops a little bit. There's nothing that's holding it back, because the second you start moving your arms, this folds inward like this, and then it droops, and then it shortens the space that the hair can fall in, and that's why some hair falls off the edges. That's not good. We don't like that. But all right, let's go through now. Let's shave everything off. Let's clean everything up with the clippers. Let's see how much hair the beard bib can actually hold. Then I'll check the vanity afterwards and see how much hair is on the vanity. And yeah, let's test this bad boy. Let's take a little break to brush off my clippers. Yeah, it's starting to willow a little bit on the sides here. And the other thing is too, when you're cutting, you get hair on your hands and your fingers. So then you gotta place the clipper down in order to clean your fingers. And if you don't do it with precision and care, you probably will get extra hairs on the side of the vanity as well. The goal of the beard bib is to just not get hair on the vanity, to have everything in here, and then you just take it off and throw it, wave it outside, throw all the hair on the grass or something. But so far I'm seeing, yeah, there's more hair over here on the sides of the vanity. The majority of it's stuck in the beard bib, but the problem is there's even more hair now on the vanity than there was before I started. A lot of that also has to do with the power of the clippers. When you're cutting hair with the clippers, hair just flies. These blades on the clipper are going really fast. So when you're going up like this, right? These hairs, they go up, they go this way, they go down, they go off to the side. They're just flying. So the odds of 100% of the hairs falling into the bib right in here, it's not very likely. That's a lot of hair, right? And I'm just going back and forth. This is how it is on my hand out here. Imagine how much hair is probably flying on like the wall or like off to the side. Yeah, I can just see it just flying out. So I still have a long ways to go. I think we covered enough. I think the beard bib does a good job collecting hair in front of you, but it doesn't do a good job collecting hair to the sides of you. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off carefully, and I'm gonna extend it. Yeah, see, the sides are willowing and there's hair on the sides. So I gotta carefully like grab this, put it in, and then I can go like this Oh, these suction cups are strong, yo. All right, so now we've got the beard bib right in here with a handful of hair. Let me place this off to the side. I guess you just shake it outside, let all the hair flow in the wind, and then we're good. Let me show you the vanity. All right, so you guys can see I was standing right here, and look how much hair is just flown off to the sides, right? In the middle, there's not much hair there, but the left side, boom, hair. Right side, boom, hair. In the middle, not too much. There is a little bit, but not too much. A little bit towards the mirror where the beard bib couldn't cover. Yeah, it's mainly the left side right here and the right side here. There's still hair hitting the vanity. And if you ask me, it isn't doing its complete job by collecting all of the hair and making sure nothing hits the vanity, right? That's the big thing here. So what I usually do, instead of having like a beard bib or anything like that to catch the hair, all I do is just have a bucket, right? I've got a little bucket right in here. And then if hair flies around the bucket, you know, I'll just slap the edges with my brush right in here. And then I'll angle it like this and I'll push everything in like this. And that's it. And then I just go back to cutting my beard or my hair or whatever it is. So let me go ahead and finish up my beard right now. I still have to do my chin and my mustache, my eyebrows even. And once I finish with that, I'll go ahead and go through the different criteria and grade the product. And let's see if it's actually worth buying or not buying. Before we continue with the video, I want to thank today's sponsor, Self Haircut University. The goal of SHU is to help you overcome your self-haircut fears and become an expert self-haircutter in less than 6 months. Learning this skill set will save you $1,000 to $3,000 per year for the rest of your life. Because we all know barbershops today are getting more and more expensive and taking up too much of our meaningful time. Within 72 hours of joining SHU, I will personally be hosting a coaching call with you directly to discuss a plan of action to get you started on the right track. With over 100,000 followers across all platforms, video testimonials, and 14 years of self-haircut experience, there's no better person with more passion than myself to guide you through this self-haircut journey. To get started before the next price increase, go to selfhaircutuniversity.com or click the first link in the description to start today. Thank you, Self Haircut University, for sponsoring this video. All right, everyone, so I finished trimming my beard and I've still got the beard bib on. Now, again, I'm gonna go through 4 different criteria that I'm gonna be using to rank of whether or not this is a good product or if it's a trash product. And just so you can have a point of reference, the beard bib goes for $12.95 on Amazon, and it has 4.5 out of 5-star reviews with 7,400 plus reviews on the product. Now, in terms of the price, I think at $12.95, the beard bib comes with 2 separate types of suction cups. You've got your traditional kind right here, and then these that also have like this thing where you have to anchor it like this, and it just expands and contracts like so. So for the price, I'd give it a 3.5 out of 5. Now, in terms of functionality of the beard itself, the neck part right in here, it kind of gets a little bit itchy and it's a little bit tight on the neck as well. The fact of the matter is, when you're moving with the beard bib on, it kind of comes inward like this, and then it exposes the shoulders. Maybe not as dramatically as that, but it does come in, and then it shortens the space in the middle, which then leaves the outsides of the beard bib exposed for hairs to go flying outside. And when you're buying something like this and then sticking it up against the mirror, the purpose of something like this is for all of the hair to be caught. And the fact that probably only 70% of the hair was being caught in the bib itself left 30% of the hair flying outside and anywhere else. So because of the hair flying off to the side, because of the mobility issue, because of the tightness and itchy neck, I'm gonna have to give the functionality of the beard bib a 2 out of 5. Now, for ease of use out of the box, I'm gonna have to give this product a 4 out of 5. And I know you guys saw me struggling there in the beginning, but it's because I couldn't find these little holes on the bottom of the beard bib. They've got these 2 little things. I didn't see these at first, so it was kind of confusing. And then you just hook them in like this, and then you suction them against the mirror. So for ease of use out of the box, I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5. Now, in terms of the actual outcome, right? How was the outcome with the beard? Did the beard bib perform and do its job, which is keep the hair inside the actual bib and not on the vanity and make a mess? And to be completely honest, it did not do its job entirely. I'd probably end up giving it a 2.5 out of 5 because more than 30% of the hairs were falling outside of the beard bib itself. And then because of the mobility, because I have to move my arms in order to use the trimmers, in order to use the clippers, the more I move my arms, the more the beard bib caves in and closes the total amount of space to catch the hair in the first place. So for overall outcome, I have to give the beard bib a 2.5 out of 5. So when you tally everything up, that ends up giving the beard bib a solid 12 out of 20 or a 3 out of 5 stars. So now the question has to be, Alex, do you recommend buying the beard bib as a way to catch and prevent hair from going down the drain, or just catch hair in general so that the cleanup is an easier process? And I would have to say probably not. I don't think the beard bib was actually worth it. Again, it was kind of similar to the previous review I did with the beard styling tool. I think the thing is with these products on Amazon is that they're very gimmicky and they kind of reel you in because the price is attractive. So a lot of people are like, okay, why not? I'll just give it a try. So because it's only $12.95, I think a lot of people were willing to give it a try. And I just think, just like with the beard styling tool from before, functionality wise, it's just not there for me. And so with that all being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, make sure you leave a like and share this video with a friend. Also, don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below and click on the post notifications as well to never miss a new video. And also, if you guys have any recommendations on products or tools that you want me to do a review on, definitely leave them in the comment section down below and I'll take a look at them and see if they're worth doing a review for. But that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you all so much for watching and I'll catch you all next time. Peace!